How to update FireKirin app. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type FireKirin and press the search button. You will see a list of results and you should click on the official link from FireKirin. On the home page, you will see the latest version available for download. If there is no update, it means you already have the latest version of the app. If an update is available, tap on either Android or iOS depending on your choice and the download will begin immediately. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file from your browser or locate it in your downloads folder. Tap on install and the update process will begin. If prompted, allow any necessary permissions for the app to install successfully. After the installation is complete, open the FireKirin app. You now have the latest version with all the newest features, bug fixes, and improvements, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience. Now you know how to update FireKirin app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.